We're here with Attorney Edmund Mack, who's part of the team out of the Placas, Lee Placas law firm that's representing the protesters on the candidacies of Stark County Commissioners Tom Burnaby, who wants to run as an independent against incumbent Democratic Mayor William J. Healy II, and of course independent prospective candidate Burnaby's been a lifelong Democrat. And let's add that Attorney Mack is also a member of Canton City Council and a protester himself. And he represents Ward 8, just finishing up your second term, correct?
That's right.
Okay. And just your observations on today's proceedings, Attorney Mack?
Well, I think it was procedural, obviously. The board has set a hearing date of July 6th to vet the issues that we've raised by the protest. They'll take evidence and hopefully apply the law, and we'll see what happens.
Okay. And you're, I take it, optimistic that your protest is going to be successful for the Stark Dems and the Ohio Dems and the protesters?
I think so, and it's because there's a lot more at stake with the protest than just the different personalities involved. And that's really led to our involvement, my firm's involvement, my personal involvement, is maintaining the integrity of how you get on the ballot. Burnaby, a lot of respect for Mr. Burnaby. He's been a good Democrat for a number of years. Come to my fundraisers, always supported me. He should have ran in the primary. And if we allow these type of candidacies to take place under these sets of facts, then there's no point in having primaries at all. And I think once the evidence is heard, I think that conclusion is going to be pretty clear. And when the decision is made, I hope and I feel that Ohio election law is going to be upheld.
Do you expect these questions, not only the Burnaby protest challenge, and of course there's one on the mayor's contest in Massillon too, involving former Democratic Mayor Frank Ciccinelli, also a lifelong Democrat. Do you expect these matters to be settled at the Board of Elections level?
I can't speak for the Ciccinelli case. I'm not nearly as familiar with that. Certainly I know that Ciccinelli's been a Democrat, I think, for 40 years, longtime mayor of Massillon. Whether it goes to the court proceeding, I'm not sure. I think that from the protesters' perspective, to allow a decision stand that would be, for instance, unfavorable, if that were to happen, I think we would almost be compelled to go to the next level, because I know other communities are looking at this decision and what type of precedent, at least with respect to the Burnaby case, given the unique facts of that case, we can't allow that to be cited in cases going forward to the detriment of the system as a whole. So I think, at least in this case, with the Burnaby case, I think that would happen. There would be an appeal of mandamus, or whether it would be an injunction in the common pleas court. Certainly I can't speak for Burnaby whether he would go to the next level if the decision were unfavorable to Mr. Burnaby, but certainly we would be prepared if he did.
Okay, well, thank you, Attorney Edmund Mack, member of the law firm of prominent Stark County attorney Lee Placas. Thank you, Attorney Mack.
Thank you, as always. Appreciate it.